Hey there, fellow seekers of wisdom and inner peace. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart, the incredible benefits of walking alone on your spiritual journey. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our insightful content. All right, let's get started. Picture yourself in this serene forest, the rustling leaves, the gentle breeze, and the soft whispers of nature. That's the magic of solitude on your spiritual journey. You know, I used to believe that spirituality was all about gathering in groups, seeking guidance from gurus, and sharing experiences with like-minded folks. But life had a different plan for me. A few years ago, I found myself in a period of profound change and uncertainty. I questioned everything, my beliefs, my purpose, and my place in the universe. It was during this time that I discovered the incredible power of walking alone on my spiritual journey. So, what are the benefits of solitude on your spiritual journey? Well, let's dive in. First up, self-discovery. When you walk alone, you uncover layers of yourself you never knew existed. It's like peeling an onion. With every step, you shed conditioning, fears, and insecurities. You start to understand your true desires, passions, and purpose. Next, clarity of mind. Away from the noise of the world, your thoughts become like stars on a clear night, vivid and easy to navigate. You gain a fresh perspective on your challenges and can make decisions with a calm, focused mind. Third, connection with nature. When you're alone, you become one with the natural world around you. You notice the intricate beauty of a blooming flower, the strength of an ancient tree, and the serenity of a babbling brook. Fourth, uninterrupted reflection. Solitude gives you the space to contemplate your experiences, your relationships, and your beliefs. You can review your past with compassion, learn from your mistakes, and set intentions for the future. Fifth, self-reliance. You learn to trust your instincts, make decisions independently, and navigate life's twists and turns with resilience. This self-reliance is about knowing that you have the inner strength to face challenges and make choices that align with your values and purpose. Sixth, freedom to explore. In solitude, you have the freedom to experiment with various spiritual practices and beliefs. You can follow your intuition, try different meditation techniques, and explore teachings that resonate with your soul. Last but not least, inner peace and contentment. Solitude leads to moments of profound tranquility and happiness. You realize that true contentment comes from within, and it's the quiet joy of being in the present moment. Now, how can you embrace solitude on your spiritual journey? Here are some practical tips. Start small with short solo walks or meditation sessions in a quiet place. Ease into it at your own pace. Create a sacred space for solitude, whether it's in nature or a quiet corner of your home. Make it your personal sanctuary. When you're in solitude, disconnect from the digital world. Turn off your phone. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience. Keep a journal to record your thoughts, insights, and observations. Journaling can be a powerful tool for self-discovery. Seek guidance from mentors or spiritual teachers when you feel stuck or confused. It's okay to ask for help on your journey, and most importantly, trust the process. Embracing solitude may feel uncomfortable at first, but it's a necessary part of your growth. Be patient with yourself. In conclusion, walking alone on your spiritual journey is a path to self-discovery, reflection, and connection with the deeper aspects of your being. It's about finding the answers within you and recognizing your innate wisdom. So, my fellow traveler, take that step into the forest of solitude. Let the rustling leaves and the whispering winds guide you. Embrace the magic of walking alone on your spiritual journey, and you'll discover a world of profound beauty, wisdom, and transformation that has always resided within you. In the end, you'll find that you're never truly alone when you walk the path of self-discovery and spiritual growth. And as you continue your journey, may you find the peace and fulfillment that solitude can bring, knowing that the most profound answers are found in the quiet moments when you listen to your heart. Embrace the solitude, my friend, and let it lead you to the extraordinary depths of your own soul. I wish you a transformative and enlightening journey. Happy walking. Thanks for joining us today on this spiritual journey of solitude. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow seekers. And remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Until next time, may you find peace and wisdom on your unique path. Take care and stay blessed, and dive deeper into mindful living by watching our previous video on How Can Catherine Ponder's Hidden Law of Attraction Technique Transform Your Life?